Coloring book is one of the most popular low content books on KDP, and the coloring books have so many different niches. And when I scrolled down on the first page, I found this book, Creepy Kawaii Pastel Goth Coloring Book. So I was interested in this niche, so I searched about it on the Amazon search bar, and I found 2000 results, which is not too bad, but the ranking are so incredible. They are so low. That means they are very good. So 931 in BSR ranking. This is absolutely incredible. So if we go to the BSR calculator and we type that ranking, so what was the ranking? 931, and we choose book. As you can see, he's making 154 sales every single day, and that is 2300 sales every single month. And this book is 7.9, so probably he's making 5,000 to 10,000 dollars every single month by this one book. And as you can see, this book is about kawaii, and for those who don't know what is kawaii, kawaii is Japanese, from Japanese culture, and it means cute. So anything, animal, people, or even food that has cute faces drawn on them, this is kawaii. So if we go to Google Trends, as you can see, it's consistently searched for. So it's not viral on a semester in the year, and it's constant. So if we go to the past 5 years, as you can see, it's always search for. So yeah, so it didn't die for the 5 last year. So that means this is a good niche and you can rely on. And if we dig down in this niche, we can find other niche. So for example, in this book, if we go to the author, so this is the author, we can see that they have so many different books, and 3 or 4 of them are for kawaii. So this one, for example, Pastel Goth Cute and Creepy Coloring Book, and this one Kawaii Sweet Treats Coloring Book. So yeah, and if we search for it, for example, on Amazon, Kawaii Coloring Book, and we type on the search bar like this, the Amazon will suggest this line, these keywords. But if you download AMZ Suggestion Expander, it's a free tool, you can add it from Chrome. It will suggest more and more keywords before and keywords after and others. So this is all sub niches from this kawaii coloring book niche. So everyone goes to different sub niches, so you can find so many profitable niches from this one. So for example, if you go cute or horror or super, so for example, let's go to the horror kawaii coloring book. As you can see, it's only 526 results on the Amazon search bar, and this is incredible. This is so low competition. Every niche below than 1000 results, that means this niche has low competition. And as you can see, the ranking are very good. So because the low competition, that doesn't mean that there's no demand on this. No, there is a big demand on this niche, on this sub niche. And how can we know that? By the ranking. So this book is ranking is 6500, and this one 931. This is the same as the last time, and this one is 134,000. This one not very good, but this one 3,000, and this one not. So we found this one 1 2 3 4 books that have less than 300,000 BSR ranking. That means this niche has a very good demand, so you can go for it without ads. But this niche, if we go inside this book, for example, and we look to the author Zoro Rojo, for example, but visit no, let's look inside it instead of that. So let's look inside it. As you can see, it's a little bit complicated. So for a beginner, if you are not an artist, it will be difficult to draw things like this for free if you want to invest your time. But if you invest your money, maybe you can find it in Fiverr or Upwork, maybe $40-50 for one page. So maybe it will cost you, if this book, for example, 50 pages, maybe it will cost you more than 1000 results. But if your work is very good, then your book probably will stand out in this niche because it has low competition and will bring you a lot of money, because this niche, as you can see, has a big demand. So the book in the previous page we found is probably making more than $6,000 a month. So that will be a very good investment. And if you are an artist, that will be much easier for you. So if you go all down, for example, Super Kawaii. So let's search for this one. For example, this one, Super Kawaii coloring book. As you can see, 484 results. This is very good. And can we find the second question, can we find 3 books that have ranking less than 300,000 PSR? So this one is less than 300,000, this one is less than, so we found 2 of them, and this is the third. So yeah, so we found 3 books that have ranking less than 300,000 PSR. So this is another very good niche, a very good sub niche. Super Kawaii coloring book and horror kawaii coloring book, and you can continue on all the list. And for example, if you, some of the niches, for example, adult kawaii coloring book 2000, you can type again in that sub niche and you can find other niche. For example, kawaii coloring book cat. Let's search for the cat one. For example, this one has only 500 results, and look at the ranking: 9,000, 10,000, 62,000. So yeah, as you can see, there is many sub niches that are profitable, has low competition and much demand on this big niche kawaii coloring book. So if you want, invest your time or money on this niche because it is profitable and it's consistent. So as you can see, in the last 5 years, it has a very good stable searching. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you next time.